Welcome to Kara Channel. The automotive industry is undergoing a profound transformation, driven by the integration of artificial intelligence. This shift is reshaping nearly every aspect of the industry, from the rise of autonomous vehicles to the optimization of vehicle manufacturing processes. The rise of autonomous vehicles. One of AI's most groundbreaking impacts is in the field of autonomous driving. Self-driving cars, once considered futuristic, are now a reality, with companies like Tesla and Waymo leading this revolution. These vehicles rely on complex AI algorithms that process vast amounts of data from various sensors, such as cameras, LiDAR, radar, and GPS. These algorithms enable vehicles to detect objects, make real-time decisions, and navigate safely through complex environments. Machine learning plays a vital role in this process by allowing the systems to learn from driving data and improve performance over time. While Level 5 full autonomy hasn't been achieved yet, there have been significant strides in semi-autonomous systems, Levels 2 to 4, which include features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and autonomous parking. These advancements are gradually making driving safer and more convenient. AI in vehicle manufacturing. AI is revolutionizing how vehicles are designed and manufactured. AI-powered robotics are performing tasks like welding, painting, and assembling vehicles with more precision and efficiency than human workers. AI also plays a crucial role in quality control by detecting defects in real time during production, which reduces waste and prevents costly recalls. Furthermore, AI is transforming supply chain management by predicting demand, managing inventory, and streamlining logistics. In addition, predictive maintenance powered by AI helps manufacturers predict machinery failures, allowing for timely interventions that minimize downtime and drive down costs.